It's 5:23. We're still alive here, on in outside of Washington D.C. during the end times. And I've been doing some reading of some biblical literature, and I just wanted to read from the book of Joel, 3:14, which is like exactly what is happening right now. This world is hearing and seeing the last warning message from God. Multitudes in the valley of decision, for the day of the Lord is near in the valley of decision. One could easily argue that Washington, D.C. and the Beltway in general is like the valley of decision, or it's supposed to be. It's pretty clear that we're in the end times here. I mean, just look outside. I mean, there is a full inch of brimstone and terror on my driveway. I can't possibly go any further than this doorway right now. I'm gonna try and like regroup and read some more scripture, and I am gonna attempt to use my ability with my legs and what little energy I have to move beyond this threshold of this door here in the Washington D.C. area. Send the National Guard, send Obama, send everybody, and Trump, because this is some serious business.